mom's gonna pick this, like the slime ingredients, and I'm gonna like make this slime.
And it's my birthday.
Clear, but like if
Okay.
you wanna pour it.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if it's open yet. I don't think it's open yet.
It's not open yet.
And we just got
Easy.
our nails done. Because it was my mom's birthday. Happy late birthday.
Thank you. So how much do we need?
You could put it. I could tell you. Stop.
How much do you put?
We're gonna mix it, but we're gonna like keep like adding it. So you can mix it. Like you see it's on.
Okay, you mix out of it.
And she's just gonna pick.
How do you know how much to put?
And then I have to mix the sticky. And then the slime is
So you put all together first, mix it.
I think that's enough.
This one.
Oh, now it's easier. Okay. So here's the slide. It turned out really good. I need to like mix the sticky slide.
Oh.
Good job, Mommy. This is a good
Okay, and now we can put anything you want.
like color, but the sprinkles are gonna do last. And you could add some charms if you
Oh, I like this purple stuff. What is this?
Oh, it's like, what is it called? Puff balls? But we're not gonna add it yet.
Okay.
Here,
I will. I'll get it
to
ready.
like
Yeah?
separate
I
it.
can separate.
Yeah, you can separate it.
It's satisfying. Already stick.
She's gonna do this. You like it?
It's not sticking.
Yeah, I think so. We added good activator. Sprinkles, and after the color we can add the scent.
Okay.
But I'm gonna tell you like not which scent, just not
Color.
Like
Okay. Can we do?
to
I
match.
kind of
these.
want to.
You wanna match?
Yes.
Okay, so this is
What about blue?
okay.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
Can we make it so it's we'll make it dark
Light color.
and.
Because if I add like a little dye, it would turn light. So
So how do you know how much to put? How do you know?
just go there.
Oh.
Wait, let me like put it more. You
Oh.
put your finger like that.
What sign?
Yeah.
Okay, color.
This is so good. Oh yeah. This is gonna be like a violet. Bluish.
Like lilac color?
Lilac.
Lilac.
Her favorite color is actually green. Look at that. That's so cool.
Yeah.
But we you can't keep it like that because if
Why?
you play with it, you're gonna get like.
Oh, you have to mix it good. And I want to show everyone your. What's the name of the slime?
Jewel slime.
Jewel slime.
It's my favorite slime.
It's the most satisfying.
That's so. ASMR. Mixed it. That's a. My favorite slime.
This is my favorite. It's just so beautiful. Jewel. And this with the bead on here too. You can put basically anything in your slime.
This is.
And you mix it, and it's getting better texture even, I see. Right? Do you want to put any jewels there?
It's your slime.
It's my slime. Yeah, why not? I want to put something. Maybe like a gold or something. Well, will match good with this
Yeah,
purple.
but we're gonna do that last.
Okay.
And there's some gold sparkle.
We can try.
You could start picking out your sparkles. That's just. But we don't need to.
No. I'm thinking about gold or red.
Oh, red would look good.
What about? Wait, gold is falling off. When I put it here. Just to see how it's turned out. Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's the actual. That's like basic.
Like your nails.
Mm-hmm.
Is it good when you get the sound?
ASMR. So good. I love slimes because they're ASMRs.
Mm-hmm.
And they're really fun to do. It's one of my favorite things in life.
And horseback riding.
It's like. What
And
is it
horseback,
called?
horseback
Yeah,
riding.
yeah.
And what else?
Tennis.
And what else? What about golf?
It's like a marble color.
Mm-hmm.
You like marbles?
Yeah.
Look at that. You wanna add some?
I want to add some gold now. And I want to see how it's gonna. Mm.
So pretty.
It's like rose gold, right?
We forgot to add the scent. If you want a scent or not.
Yes.
It's-
What flavor do you have? Any flavor?
So it's like blue raspberry, but actually like smells like tea.
Mm.
Oh, you wanted to add those, remember?
Yes. That's nice. Let me put it on. Yeah, I can smell like jasmine tea.
Sometimes the scent, it's really weird. It makes stretch it. Look at that pretty purple.
Keep drinking my coffee.
Okay, so what do you rate yourself?
Oh, a 10 out of 10. I love it.
You wanna? Wait,
Yeah.
let's get this. You could like dip it.
Dip
okay?
it, okay.
She's gonna dip
Oh,
it.
it's such a nice. Oh my gosh, it's like I cannot explain how it feels. It's very. It's not even like a slime. It's like
I could get these.
so nice and soft. Oh. Wow, and it's beautiful.
If you wanna add more, wait, I got
It's
it.
sparkling.
You wanna add more sparkles?
No, I think that will be enough.
Let me put
Right?
the rest on this white slime that I
Ooh.
got from here. Ooh!
And it's only when you do with the white glue, or it doesn't matter what glue is it to have the same texture.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't matter.
No. They could be the same texture sometimes.
It's like a perfect stress relief. Stress ball. Stress slime.
De-stress slime.
Mm-hmm.
We should name. We have to name. We have to think of.
Oh, I would love Cloud Joy or something like that. It's so
Cloud Joy, yeah. You know, Peachy Baby slime has like something like that. It doesn't just have those. It's called de-stress though, because it
Yes.
like de-stresses people.
oh,
De-stress.
you can just play with it. Think about future.
You want those charms or the? I think those would match your slime more.
Yes,
So we're gonna put.
I can maybe light pink.
Let me put these back. Let me. Yeah, I'll put it here. If you want to pick. These are really pink. Oh,
Okay.
you could add a little star.
Yes, let's add star.
How many do you want to add? There's
2.
Okay, one more.
And this is one is like so nice to.
Oh yeah. If you want to add it, you can add.
Oh yeah.
Let's see. We can add these little white ones. This one is really pretty.
Yeah, let's add it.
Can I like a couple of those?
And more, I do like this. More
Better texture.
softer and texture. Mhm.
Add one more. Do you like making slime?
Yeah,
That's how I do it all.
I just want to experiment with the colors.
I found a pearl. So
Oh, this is the little star.
Oh. Okay, let's stop those.
I'm gonna keep it somewhere and name it the Cloud Joy.
Cloud Joy, that's a good name.
Okay, thank you guys for being with us.
Bye.
Bye.